I'm glad I went to the
Converse, Skechers, green socks, no socks.
I have socks. LMSI?
I don't see it though, so no socks.
Tinan niyo to. JD, oh, JD, oh.
50 pesos.
Right?
Aww.
We're not in school.
Bea and Rin.
Ang landi. Oh, ang landi.
What can you say about how can you say about Nathan winning Mr. LMSI 2024?
I think, to be honest, I sacrificed my soul to Nathan Ocampo.
Yeah, I agree. I saw the contract and you put your signature on it. I think it was a wise decision.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. So guys, it's nighttime.
Story to tell.
It's nighttime and there's no jeep. If you don't know what's a jeep, it's a transportation in the Philippines.
That's kind of creepy.
I know where you live.
I know where you live. I know where you live. I know where you live.
I know where you live. I know where you live. I know where you live.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I've been there.
Losers. I know where I live. Just saying.
I know where I live. Me too.
I know where I live. You guys are not special. Can you just shut up? I'm being serious. I know where I live. You guys are not special. You guys are not special. You guys are not special. I'm being serious right now. What can you say, Brent? What the?
I sent this to you.
Oh yeah.
Guys, look.
We should all have
House
a.
reveal. House reveal. Pakita mo sa
Uy, bahay ko yan. Magpapakita.
No, the people outside. The people outside.
Look at this house.
Not gonna lie, I'm so pissed I could drink that one.
I'm gonna lie, I could like drink the hot gravy right now. Just for the sake of.
Yesterday I went here. The gravy was out. That's sad. It didn't taste good. You know why? It's because I wasn't there. Oh jeez, my eye. What do you have to say? I was trying to do.
Guys, send ko lang kay mama. Bro,
Were you covered?
I'm gonna show it to my mother.
My mother.
It's tracking your face.
Just keep recording because I'm gonna post that.
What's up, YouTube?
Ew.
No, I'm like a YouTube. What?
Kyra would get the most haters.
No.
It's time. So pumunta mo tayo lahat doon?
We're gonna go somewhere else.
Jasmine, good job! Nathan! Ba't mo tinanong kilikili ko? Ang sama.
We're gagawin?
Irish, amuyin mo!
Nathan, let's go. Lakad na kayo mo pa rin.
Vlog, ako na yung mag-control ng vlog. Uy, tara, kausapin na sila Kuya Guard. Kausapin nila natin sila Kuya Guard. Kausapin natin.
It's fine.
Excuse me po, alam niyo po ba, panalo po si Nathan. Okay, let's go.
Apa,
Paano tayo uwi?
pwede lang record the whole thing, okay?
Okay. Sasabit ba tayo sa jeep?
Just want to say, I think I will go with the
Paparazzi. Ayun na po sila.
Guys, we're gonna bring a title. I'm gonna do that.
Uy, dapat surrounding, nagpipicture tayo. Alam mo yung celebrity yun nasa loob, yung inaabangan sa labas.
Paparazzi.
Ayun na sila, ayun na. Uy! There they are.
Baby! Oh my God! Fred, move!
Ayun na.
Fred, why do you sound like that?
Ayun na. Bilis, flash.
It's too big. Whoa!
Uy, ayun na.
Ano ka masasabi niyo ngayon? Gago! Ano masasabi mo ngayon? Congrats, Nathan!
Salamat sa tubig.
You did a good job rin po. Idol po namin kayo.
Thank you so much. Water.
Water.
I'm fine.
Sir, wait lang po, sir. Sir, wait lang po. Wait lang po! Interview lang po! One lang interview! Uy, bilis! 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 Isang interview lang po! Interview lang po! Interview lang po! Word po! Word! Ayun sila oh! Ayun sila oh! Bilis! Picturean nyo! O kapo, Nathan! Hello po! Jasmine Lee! Interview po! Wait lang po! Wait lang po! Pa-interview! Pa-interview! Rin, pag nasagasaan ka rin! Wait lang po! Isa pong interview! Isa pong interview! Isang interview lang po!
Tatanggal yung short ko!
Ayun na po sila! Ayun na po sila! Ano po masasabi niyo po? Wala, napagod na. Ano po masasabi niyo po? Uy, tangin na medisina. Pagod na siya.
Sorry, busy kami. Ang galing ko!
Ang galing niya nga. Ayun na ba sila? Sila ba sila?
This time.
Kuya, busy.
Ala. Bilisan nyo! Umaalis na sila! Jollibee. Asan sila? Asan sila? Asan sila? Ayun! Bilis sa window. Ayan sila. Bilis, flash on, flash on. Ayun siya, ayun siya, ayun siya. Hello po! Hello po! Sinitan niya, sinitan. Picturean mo, bilis. Hello po. Hello po. Sa picture lang po, picture lang po.
Ayun na sila. Ayun, nasama mo yung family ninyo.
Ha? May aircon dito, bala kayo.
Guys, how did the guy do it in the acrobatic show? I'm gonna do it right now.
Go, 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 go. Guys, magic oh. Sige, go. Kala ko totoo na eh.
My mom said hanap daw ako ng kasabay.
Ah, there we go. Part 2.
What if I just like do my impulsive touch?
Bro, do that again, do that again.
It's time!
It's time.
You know, like before my birthday, I said I just wanted a kiss.
Wait.
Ano daw? Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang.
You guys are gonna kiss?
Before my birthday, I just like want a kiss from someone, especially a guy that starts with a B and ends with a A.
T. Ah, Garcia.
Oh. Kiss.
There's a reason why Nathan isn't sitting with us.
Like we're just speaking.
Kaya di nakaupo sa atin
To be
eh.
honest, I'm not good.
Cause he's up.
I'm so thirsty, bro.
Where's that?
Oh, huh? Huh? What? Wow, Bea and high quality.
What?
Bea and high quality.
Mycology? High
High quality.
Psychology? High quality, ganyan. Quality?
ano to sa ulo? Camille Slay, basketball queen. Yuck. Pogi ni JD.
You're so cute here.
There's the squad. Ano daw?
I was watching a video and it says,
What?
You're gonna show me the life of a male street.
Mommy, nandito po ako sa dyan.
I'm gonna take
Hello, Camille.
Justin and the rest of us. Hi everybody.
Leia.
Can I go up? I'm gonna buy tickets.
Video.
Girl, just
Ba't ayaw mag-focus, JD?
you heard what she said?
My phone.
Thank you. What?
Sabi daw ni Kyra, she would kiss Rin.
Sure. Yes.
Hurt siya. Sakta, no?
Why do you keep twisting and doing this to the balloon?
Galit na kasi kikis ka daw ni Kyra. Kyra, go ahead. Bea gives consent. Kiss her.
Paano kayo dyan?
I don't kiss animals. Oh, why you said you kiss me? I said there. Oh, thank you.
Go ahead. In front of Rin.
No, wait, no.
What? It's like the one scene where they did that and then both of you like slowed off.
Tara. Rin, try to do that. Rin, try to do that. Moses.
Moses. I remember no SB.
You know, another universe yun.
Tapos nakawa ko with the movie.
You look like she busted mo.
What?
You should see.
You gonna bust a nut?
Kawawa naman si Camille. Yung pinaka-normal dito, no? Tapos kasama mo lahat nito.
Di yan normal. Normal? Uy.
Salamat sa liwanag mo. Muling wait for Kyra to come back.
Okay. Vlog na lang sa atin. Wait lang ha, yung rice. Hand fight. My outfit. They're so rude. Give it to me.
Look at this, bro.
Is it done?
She probably got no friends in
What time
school.
is Christmas party? Yeah.
Because she listens to MCR alone.
Yeah, and when I grow up, I'll win.
Oh my god, bro, is Gerard way.
Osama bin Laden is gonna get me an Just saying. I can smile ng lolo.
Yeah, he's right in front of you. Mr.
He's Osama bin Laden.
Bin Laden part 2. I think it's Bin Laden, not Bin Laden.
Wait, this is the one, this is the good one.
Yo, I'm pretty sure it's Bin Laden, not Bin Laden.
No, this is the one I say.
Alright, for a brown person, I expected better.
What time is it for the party?
Hey, look what she does here.
Ano yan?
I don't know. I don't know.
What's that?
I was
Tessie?
just guessing. I thought it started.
What is that?
How does it
Life of a male
Oh, I'm not sure. I'm actually not sure. Okay, you go at 10.
Life of a loser.
I used to have a life.
By another universe, we're both.
Not, I'm joking. Where are you? I'm sorry, Kyra.
And red. Dapat ka, open mo
Black.
yung 2 packs
It's
mo.
black.
I have a picture. Bakit kami sa talo?
Skechers. Socks. Eggs.
Exactly. My sister stole my Converse.
I'm gonna eat now.